Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from cbse 2024 board exam. Two alarm clocks rings their alarms at regular interval of 20 minutes and 25 minutes respectively. So this is the first alarm and this is the second alarm. And its interval is 20 minutes while its interval is 25 minutes. They repeat themselves. Okay, if they first beep together at 12 noon, first beep, first together beep, at 12 noon, then at what time will they beep again together at next time? So next time beep together is equal to 12 noon plus LCM of 20 and 25. Okay, so first we take LCM of 20 and 25. 20 we write it 2 into 2 into 5 and 25 5 into 5. So its LCM is 5 4 into 5. So 5 4 ja 20, 25 ja 100. 100 minute or 1 hour 40 minute. So we add 1 hour 40 minute in 12 noon. So this become 12 plus 1 140 140 PM, okay, or 140 hours. So B is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.